Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to schedule dark mode automatically on this device. Okay, for this simply go to settings, tap on the option display. So to schedule the dark mode, first of all we need to enable the dark mode. Otherwise here you can see the option dark mode settings. Now you can see I already selected light mode. If you want to schedule the dark mode, tap on the option dark mode settings and turn on the option turn on as schedule. So here you can see two options, sunset to sunrise. If you want to enable the dark mode to sunset to sunrise, tap on this one. If you want to customize the dark mode, tap on the option custom schedule. Now here we can set the time. So now simply here I am going to set the time. Now it is 4:05. So simply here I am going to set 4:06 and the end time, okay, 7. Tap on done. Now you can see the dark mode is enabled. Automatically when the time reaches, it will turn on the dark mode. Okay, so this will help to reduce the eye strain, especially when you are using your phone at night. So simply in this way we can schedule the dark mode automatically on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.